Hello, welcome to my channel, Learn German with Ease. Want to start speaking German today? Let's master the most essential greetings in just 3 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to greet people in German like a pro. Let's learn hello, goodbye, and more with perfect pronunciation, and use them in real-life sentences. Ready? Let's dive in. Word 1, hello. In German, it's hallo. Pronounce it with me. Hallo. One more time. Hello. Word 2. Good morning. In German, we say Guten Morgen. Try it. Guten Morgen. Slowly now. Guten Morgen. Great job. Word 3. Good evening. In German, it's Guten Abend. Say it with me. Guten Abend. One more time. Guten Abend. Well done. Word 4. Goodbye. Informally, we say tschüss. It sounds like choose with a soft ch. Say it, tschüss. Again, tschüss. Perfect. Great job. Let's quickly recap the greetings. Hallo. Repeat it after me one more time. Hallo. Next word is Guten Morgen. Repeat it after me one more time. Guten Morgen. Next word is Guten Abend. Repeat it after me one more time. Guten Abend. Next word is tschüss. Repeat it after me one more time. Tschüss. Now, let's use these words in simple sentences. Repeat after me. Hello, wie geht's? Repeat it after me one more time. Hello, wie geht's? It is pronounced as Hallo, wie geht's? Let's proceed to the next sentence. Guten Morgen, wie heißt du? Repeat it after me one more time. Guten Morgen, wie heißt du? It is pronounced as Guten Morgen. Wie heißt du? Great job. Let's proceed to the next sentence. Guten Abend, bis bald. Repeat it after me one more time. Guten Abend, bis bald. It is pronounced as Guten Abend, bis bald. Great job. Let's proceed to the next sentence. Tschüss bis morgen. Repeat it after me one more time. Tschüss bis morgen. It is pronounced as Tschüss bis morgen. Great job. Practice these every day to feel more confident. Remember, small steps lead to fluency. I have attached a link in the description to sheet with these and some other sentences for you to practice. Feel free to download and practice them daily. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly German lessons. Next time, we'll learn how to introduce yourself in German. Tschüss and see you soon!